इस सीरीज में डायलॉग है चिरैया में कि शादी से पहले अगर कंसेंट जरूरी है तो शादी के बाद क्यों नहीं? आप
हुँ।
एग्री करते हैं इस चीज के साथ?
जी, बिल्कुल। ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स को वॉइस करना चाहते हैं जो आमतौर पर लोगों के घरों में हो रहा होता है हमारे देश में, लेकिन उसे वॉइस नहीं कर पाते। तो हमारा गोल ही ये है कि हम ऐसी सब्जेक्ट्स और ऐसे विषयों को जो ऑलमोस्ट हर घर की कहानी, लेकिन उसके बारे में कोई बात करने से हमें शर्म आती है। तो हमने इस सिलसिले में ये सीरीज़ बनाई एंड अब उम्मीद है कि इस पे चर्चा हो और लोग इसे देखें और अवेयर हों कि इट इज़ ओके टू वॉइस सच थिंग्स एंड रादर नॉट बी स्कैर्ड एंड सिट साइलेंट व्हेन समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपेंस।
वेरी हेटफुल रोल फॉर ऑडियंस क्योंकि जब आपने उस रोल को प्ले करा और एज अ ऑडियंस जब हम लोग देख रहे थे, ये एक वो होता है ना कि ये कैरेक्टर बहुत ही खराब है, राइट? और वो दिखा है उस स्टोरी में। तो आपको कभी ऐसा लगता है कि जब आप ऐसे कैरेक्टर पे प्ले करते हो सीरीज में, जो आपका खुद का पर्सपेक्टिव भी चेंज कर देती है सोशल इश्यूज के लिए?
मैम स्टार्टिंग से आई हैव बीन ब्रॉट अप विद सच वैल्यूज एंड इथॉस जहाँ गलत को गलत बोलना मुझे सिखाया गया है एंड आई एम टच वुड ग्रेटफुल फॉर सच अपब्रिंगिंग। Therefore, my choices as an actor today are about subjects and are about stories
हम्म।
which need to be told, as I mentioned before. And personal perspective being that जभी भी unfortunately or fortunately there have been incidences in life where something wrong has been happening in front of me and I would be the one who would come up and stand for whatever happening at that point and that time is wrong against it. So I think that is who I am as a human being. And necessarily when I pick up a role like this, which I do understand is negative and is going ahead and doing a heinous crime, that is rape, and is going ahead and abusing his power over his wife and without consent going ahead and sleeping with her. There is this whole question of fundamentals which arises, ma'am, which you've tried to show in the series as well, where we tried to question the psyche of Arun as to why Arun is like Arun. क्यों वो ऐसा है?
या
It is because of his upbringing, because Bhabhi bhi, Kamlesh ji, as played by beautifully by Divya ma'am, puts in that had he been brought up by his father and not her, he would have been different. Because her husband has been brought up by my father, played by Mr. Sanjay Mishra in the series, who's absolutely fantastic at what he does, has a different set. Like Vinay Bhaiya, who's played by Mr. Faisal Rashid, such beautiful scenes and is such a beautiful, ideal example of the right kind of man that should be. And then there is Arun because of his upbringing from his Devrani, that is Bhabhi, that is. I'm sorry, I'm not sorry, really clear about the terminology. Bhavi है, देवरानी तो नहीं है, देवरानी तो पूजा होगी. So in that space, I feel that it is his upbringing which is put into question here. It is his ideology where he thinks that he can do, he's supposed to do this. He is,
या
and I would like to take a moment to thank a production also, which was Rajesh sir. In fact, fun fact, my first film, Love Aajkal,
या
2, the executive producer on that was Rajesh Sharma sir, and the executive producer on Chiraiya
इज
is Rajesh Sharma sir, and of course it's been produced by STF, which is Shrikant Mohta sir and Mr. Abhishek Daga, and it's truly a blessing for us to be able to make such a story in India, and it's this solid team which has come together to do this. So I think a huge credit goes to all of them
या
because without all of them, this wouldn't have been possible.
एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, आपने जैसे बोला कि बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं लाइक एज अ कोलैबोरेशन, राइट, जो पीछे काम करते हैं जिनका नाम कभी आगे नहीं आता। कहीं ना कहीं हमारे लिए जो पहले दिखता है हमारे लिए वही मोर इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, जैसे
Correct.
एक्टर, एक्टर्स और एक्टर्स के बाद डायरेक्टर्स, वो भी बहुत कम दिख, मेन जो है वो एक्टर ही होता है हर बंदे के लिए। एंड दैट्स अ हार्श रियलिटी, बट इट्स अ रियलिटी, राइट? But I think they also work very hard because I seen in Poland production house, people here at least, because I also talk with people who work in India, but they said like they don't get same respect as India than in Poland.
Okay.
Background production, maybe partners and so on, right? And it's very hard, but it's a harsh reality. And I think you are only one actor who I just did, I think I did interviews with like 10-15 people, and you are the only one who speak about them.
नहीं मैम, ऑनेस्टली इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी बिना इस सपोर्ट के हम पिक्चर ऐसा तो
Yeah.
नहीं है जैसे मैं आपसे फ़ोन पे बात कर रहा हूँ और इस पे मैं एक सीरीज़ या फ़िल्म शूट कर लूँगा और कल ये हॉल में चल जाएगी ऐसे बात करते-करते। पूरा
See.
कुंभा लगता है पिक्चर बनाने के लिए। तो अगर आप उनको ड्यू क्रेडिट ना दो, मैं तो कहूँगा ये मक्कारी का काम हो। आपको तो देना चाहिए जहाँ क्रेडिट ड्यू है।
Yeah. And I wanted to talk about Love Aajkal too.
जी, जी, बिल्कुल।
How's your experience with that and how you get this role?
So I was in college. I always wanted to become an actor. I knew that since the very start. I was in second year of college. Mr. Mukesh Chabra had come to Delhi to cast for upcoming films and upcoming projects. And I happened to go there for an open round of introductions. And he asked me to stay back. I randomly met him at this food court, and he's like, he was there to, of course, take introductions, and he was at the food court. So I just went up to say hi. And then we did a round of introductions. Then the next thing we know, Impiaso walks in at 6 o'clock in the evening. And he's like, hopefully we'll get to work with all of you. I'm like, okay, great. Then they took another round of introductions. And then on the next day, it happened to be my 20th birthday eve. I was 19. Yeah, it was my 20th birthday eve. And they called me to test for the film. And luckily, I'd gone to a boarding school in Ajmer, Mayo College Ajmer, and had a lot of friends which were Rajput. So the character which I play in Love Aajkal is Rathor. So whatever Marwadi, Merwadi, मेरे को तो आती नहीं बिकॉज मैं हूं नहीं वहां का, बट मैंने अपने दोस्तों से जो सीखी थी, मैंने वो ऑडिशन टेप में पूरी ठूस दी एक साथ. एंड इम्तियाज सर रियली थॉट ही बॉट द फैक्ट दैट आई वाज अ राजपूत एंड he gave me the part. While we were shooting, he really actually realized that I'm not Rajput, and I just put it all of that.
In the end, right?
Yeah, yeah. He calls me a fraud till date. And it's only now after years where I finally started to understand that why does he call me a fraud. So yeah, it was a I always wanted to work in the movies and imagine a 19-year-old usko picture mein jab wo bhi seedhe Mr. Imtiaz Ali. So that's how I got my first lead. That was Do Gubare, again on Geo. And that was a completely different story. Like it was a feel good, coming of age, interpersonal relation story. It talked about how people are losing connections with one another as they're growing more up with tech, with their lives, etc. So actually, that was my first as a lead. So at that point of time, I was much younger. I was only 23 when I first did a lead as a hero. And at that age, my shoulders felt so heavy because of this baggage of you wanting to prove to the world that yes, you can act. Yes, you are worth being this hero. I don't know if people have seen it or not. It's a sincere request because when it came, it just literally came, and when not a lot of people got a chance to see it, it's a humble request that now people are watching and giving the love for. और उनको देखने के बाद थोड़ा फील गुड फैक्टर के लिए आप दो गुब्बारे देखिए, which is also on Jio Hotstar, and you would see a completely bang opposite side of me as an actor, where this guy is the greenest of the green flags. He's Mr. Right.
Yeah.
So that's how Do Gubare happened. And Geo Studios was looking for a fresh face.